Greetings everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about FlipGrid. For those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Danielle Rochford and I am a grade 7 and 8 online teacher in Canada. Here on this channel we talk about things education related, so tutorials, different technologies, as well as a little bit of vlogging, some teacher life. If those are some topics that interest you, be sure to hit the subscribe button below. Today, we're going to be taking a look at a program called FlipGrid. This is an awesome tool that is simple to use, but allows for building of community and empowering student voice in classrooms. Let's hop right on over to the computer. For my PACES students, you will be able to access FlipGrid directly from Google Classroom. Our very first FlipGrid assignment is where you get to introduce yourselves to the rest of the junior high. Open up the Getting to Know Our Classmates assignment in order to view the instructions and the direct link to FlipGrid. At the FlipGrid login screen, you will choose Log In with Google. Choose your school account and you will be brought right into the PACES Junior High page. Scroll down to see a copy of the instructions, and then if you scroll just a little further, you will see a green circle with a plus sign in the middle. Click on the green circle. Your web browser will ask you to allow FlipGrid to use your microphone and your camera. Click on Allow. You will then see a preview of what the camera can record. You can choose to add a few effects to spice up your video a bit before you record. Or you can start recording right away. While you record, you have a countdown in the upper right-hand corner letting you know how much time you have left. Also, that same button you used to start the recording, you can press again to pause the recording and then start up again with the next scene that you would like to do. If you make a mistake and want to start over, you can simply use the trash can icon in the lower left-hand corner. However, once you are completely satisfied with your video and it is as perfect as you want it, you will click on the arrow in the lower right-hand corner. This will give you the opportunity to preview what you have recorded and add more if you would like to. To confirm that you are finished, once again, click the arrow in the bottom right-hand corner. You will now take a selfie and decorate it to be the thumbnail of your video in our class grid. Have fun and be creative with it. Once you're ready to take the selfie, click on the camera icon. Confirm your selection by clicking the next button or the forward arrow in the bottom right-hand corner, and then provide some information. Your name, the title if you would like one, and a link is optional. Once you've done that, click on Submit My Video. Congratulations! You have completed your very first FlipGrid. Now, PACES students, don't forget, once you have finished that last step, you now need to go back to Google Classroom and answer the assignment question in the positive, that yes, you have recorded and posted your video to FlipGrid. Once everybody starts adding their videos to FlipGrid, you can come back and take a look at what the rest of your classmates are doing. You can watch their videos and you can like them as well. FlipGrid is going to be an amazing tool that we will use this year to help build our community in the junior high.